So what I'm going to do today is show you how to make a phone call in Microsoft Teams Voice. So within Teams, click on Calls on the left. Now what this will do, it will show you your favorite contacts or your speed dial contacts here. If I click on Contacts on the left, it will show you all contacts, and Microsoft Outlook syncs with Teams, so all the contacts you have available in Outlook will appear here, so long as there's a telephone number in the contact name. So we have a list of phone numbers here and people that we can dial. If I click on the phone icon here, that will do a Microsoft Teams to Microsoft Teams phone call. However, if I highlight and click on the number here, that will break out and it will dial the person that you want to speak to, whether that's on their mobile, on their landline, or something like that. So I'm going to click on myself here, Dean Spencer, and this is my mobile number. So that will make a phone call using Microsoft Teams out to my mobile. And you can see that it's dialing my mobile now, calling. I'm going to abort that call. You can also make phone calls from your web browser. So if you're on a web page or something like that, here's the iText page and there's a phone number on that page. Then what you can do is highlight that phone number or hover over that phone number and click on it, click on open, and what your computer will do is open Microsoft Teams and use Microsoft Teams to make an outbound call. So the number you clicked on is presented in Teams, and then you can click call. And again, this is using Microsoft Teams to make that outbound phone call. This is actually dialing iText, and it's answered by an auto attendant.
Hello and welcome to iText. Please say the name of the department you wish to speak
I'm going to leave the call now.
or press.
And that is how to make a phone call on Microsoft Teams, whether dialing from your contacts or using click to call from a web page.